So guys, Microsoft Excel is a kind of a computer application that is very, very widely used across the business domains. And there's a need to learn this software by each and every one of you. You can be a student studying in your class 10th, 11th, 12th, because nowadays the school students are also using this Microsoft Excel software and other packages as well. You could be a college student, final year, pre-final year, a working professional as well. So Microsoft Excel, since because of its applicability, its widely usage, so it is a very vast software in itself as well. So we have handpicked the most important features and functions of this particular package to teach you in this training program. We cannot cover the entire Microsoft Excel. Nobody can do that. So me and Anoop has handpicked certain topics, certain functions, which often come across when we are doing something in whatever business domain, in whatever job profession we are. So we will be doing all those things during this curriculum of Excel training. I would like to mention that Anoop is available to conduct this training in the morning itself only. So what we are going to do, what we have planned for this session, like Anoop will be doing the session in the morning. The timing would be from 10:30 a.m. to 12. We will be taking this session for approximately 1.5 hours on a daily basis. And then there will be a revision class in the evening that I'll conduct. Since Anoop will not be available in the evening, so whatever topics, whatever content Anoop will cover in the morning, I will revise the same content in the evening for the students or the participants who are not able to attend the morning session. It will be a repetition of the morning session. And this we are going to do from Tuesday onwards. Like for today and for the day one, that is for tomorrow. These two sessions will held in the evening only, and Anoop will take us through with these two sessions. From Tuesday onwards, there will be two sessions. Again, I'm reiterating this. One would be in the morning, 10:30 a.m. to 12, and another one, which will be a repetition of the morning session in the evening. That is from 5:30 to 7, or whatever time it will take. So this is how we are going to do this session from Monday to Friday. And as I said in the earlier, that we are going to take you deep once the participant will show the interest that they want to learn more of the Excel functions and features. So I believe we can start, Anoop, for today actually.
Sure, sir. So hello everybody, welcome you. I welcome you, me, Mr. Ahuja, and on the behalf of Satyug Darshan Institute of Engineering and Technology, we all welcome you all to the first steps, week 3 to Microsoft Excel. Beginning with some of the introductions, I would like Mr. Ahuja. There's some echo. Can everyone please mute themselves? So beginning with the introduction first, so I would like Mr. Param to introduce himself, and then I'll go ahead with the session for the day today.
Okay, as I told you earlier, my name is Paramjeet Singh Ahuja. I'm basically working as an assistant professor with the Satyug Darshan Institute of Engineering and Technology since 2014 onwards. Prior to this, I am coming from the corporate sector. I have served in the BFSI sector. BFSI stands for the Banking and Financial Service Industry. By qualification, I'm MBA in Finance. My expertise lies in basically in the financial services sector, that is banking, insurance, stock market and all. The organization prior to SDIIT I was associated with, that was ICICI Group. I worked with ICICI Bank and ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company. Right now, I am with SDIIT teaching in the domains of finance and operations. Over to you, Anup.
Thank you so much, sir. So, hi everyone, my name is Anup Virmani, and I actually believe in connecting the spheres of academia with the dots of corporate experiences. So currently I'm a customer lifecycle analyst at Cvent. What it is, so it is basically a customer journey analytics in the domain of marketing. And prior to that, I was working with American Express, and I have an MBA from MDI Gurgaon with an economics honors graduation from University of Delhi. So it is very important for all of us to be always updated with the technology around us, because that gives you the edge, that gives you the choice from the leadership, from the managerial perspective, that you are the one who stands outside from all of the others. So the tech portfolio that I have right now is around Microsoft Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint. I also work on Microsoft Power BI and Tableau, which are data visualization, business analytics, business intelligence tools. And also I work on R language, R Studio for statistical analysis. You can connect with me on LinkedIn for any questions further. So moving ahead with the session that we have today, which will basically revolve around what is planned for every one of you, how the next 5 days are planned for you guys to take this knowledge of Microsoft Excel. I would again, sorry, request to keep everyone yourself mute, as it is creating problem for everyone here. Thank you. So the first question that comes in our mind is, why Microsoft Excel? What is this soaring behind this tool that Microsoft has provided every one of us? Because it is easy, one. Second, it is widely accepted. So if you talk to any banking industry professional, they will give you one basic stat. So I had one professional in my connection. He was a vice president in Royal Bank of Scotland. So he said to me once that, Anup, 80% of my finance people are just doing correlation of data on Microsoft Excel, and that is it. So this is how it is widely accepted in finance, it is accepted in marketing, it is accepted in accounting, operations, and HR as well. So any domain you are in, anywhere in the world you are in, you need Microsoft Excel in your corporate life, in your student life, in your, even if you are a teacher, then also you need Microsoft Excel. So Investopedia has said that a working knowledge of Microsoft Excel is vital for most office-based professionals today, and stronger skills, as I said, will lead you to more promotional and leadership opportunities. It's like, I have a group of people, I will see who is best in technology. Obviously, those people will have an edge for us, and they will move forward. So again, reasons for popularity, as we discussed in the previous slide, is A, it is simple, B, it is logical. So there's no basic creativity involved in here. So we have all the formula, everything based on logics. Third, it is applicable everywhere. And fourth, it is integrable. So any program from technology wise, may it from Microsoft family, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft Access, and all other programs that may not be also from Microsoft family, can be integrated with Excel. So if you are doing something in your Excel, you can present it on Microsoft PowerPoint, you can present it on Microsoft Power BI. So we have this amazing ability that Microsoft Excel has, integrating itself with each and every tech portfolio that anyone can land into. The four basic features that Microsoft Excel is able to give you, like for any company, any size, may it be $1 million MNC, or may it be just a startup in your backyard. So it gives you the ability to plan your future. It gives you the ability to manage things. It gives you the ability to present with charts, with the data visualization techniques, and also forecasting. So every day, every month, there are a lot of updates that are coming on Microsoft Excel. For us right now, it will be a little on a beginner level side. But yes, as Param sir said, if someone, if there will be a group of people who will be interested more in learning, then we can do wonders with Excel together. So four main things that it is helping right now with us is planning, managing, presenting, and forecasting. So this training will basically be on a beginner level. So even if you have never opened Excel on your system or have been using a little bit, that then also it caters to you. But this online training program is in the field of analytics and basic analysis. So we'll be able to train you on basic Excel functions, formulas, and data visualization. When I say data visualization, it basically means all the charts and all the other visualization techniques that we have that Excel provides us. Also, I would also like to reiterate that if someone has any questions, just hit on the chat window and let us know. Moving ahead, then again, who all can join in? Welcome to every one of you that have already joined in. You have one more day. If someone else in your area and someone else in your social network wants to gain this opportunity again, these are the criterias for those people who can again come and start with us tomorrow. So anyone who is interested in analytics, any college student, any kind of working professional, and this aim, the aim of this training is to basically understand the usefulness and the application that Microsoft Excel provides us. So some basic questions that might be coming to your mind: that I'm a beginner or an advanced user, is this training program for me? So again, reiterating that this training is for people who have least experience with Excel from the beginning. So maybe the first class might be the same things that you have already done, but from class second, the journey will be a roller coaster ride. So there are no prerequisites for this program right now. So you have to be a beginner. So there are no prerequisites here. Again, the aim here is whatever I know, whatever Param sir knows in this field of Excel, gradually and slowly will start providing you that what is needed from the learning perspective and what is needed from the practice perspective as well, what industry is demanding right now. So after successful completion of the sessions, we can expect the skills required to work efficiently with a worksheet. So there might be some terms here, there might be some terminologies that you might not understand right now, but just give us a date, which will be tomorrow, and you'll be able to grasp it as quick as possible. So benefits will be, again, the basic features, the arithmetic operations, some statistical operations, some data visualizations, which is graph, histograms, and charts, and again integrating them into a lovely looking dashboard which we can create through Excel, and again the use of pivot tables and etc. So these are some of the intermediate functions and not basic. So first we'll do some basic things. So these are some of the intermediate functions which also will do it in either class 3 or class 4 as soon as the class climbs onto that ladder. So we'll take everyone together in this. So these are some of the things, intermediate things that we'll be covering. So again, as Param sir said, that in the first 5 days, which are the next 5 days coming in, we'll We'll try our level best to take you from beginners to an intermediate level in Excel. And after that, if there is a group of people who is very much comfortable and are looking forward to more and more understanding of this wonderful tool, then we'll introduce advanced Excel training as well. So these are some of the basics and intermediate things that you guys can expect from us in case in the lecture delivery in the next 5 days. So basic understanding the environment of Excel, workbooks, the worksheets, editing data, entering data, formatting, how do we work with the formulas, and how are we creating some graphs and charts and reporting, some dashboards. So if there are people who are already working in corporate, it will be very helpful for them if, you know, if within 5 days as they are able to create one elongated report into a specific dashboard for their management and leadership. So that will be very helpful for the people who are joining us from the corporate background. So I have a small, first of all, let me see if we have any questions. And okay, so we don't have any questions right now in the chat window. So I would request you all, first prerequisite will only be that either the preference, I would say, will be that you guys log in with either your laptops or desktops and not your phones. That will allow us to, you know, better concentrate on whatever we are doing for the next 5 days. Next, I have a little exercise for everyone. I would request you all with your mobile phones or open a different tab in your laptop and go to www.menti.com. Please do that. As soon as you go to www.menti.com, it will ask you for a code. Please enter this code 92419. In a different tab, please open www.menti.com, or this can be done on your mobile as well, menti.com, and type this code 92419. So this is basically to check on what is the profile of the batch with whom we'll be studying. So 14 people I see have answered the first question. I would repeat for someone who has not logged in yet. So it is www.menti.com and use the code 92419. So we have 52 participants in the Zoom session, and around half of them have replied. So reiterating again, so this question is basically to gauge the batch with whom we will be studying in and learning Microsoft Excel. So we have 20 more people to answer, guys, quickly. And this is the power of data visualization. For just an example like this, you see a bar graph here, and it is very clearly visible that
I am a
43%,
student.
43% of people saying that they're a student here, 40 again a 43% saying they're a teacher. Then we have someone from the corporate who have less than 2 years of experience, and then we have 11% of people in corporate who have more than 2 years of experience. These, no, it's risen to 14 now, and these 14% of people can always relate that a power of a bar graph like this in front of your management, your leadership, has so much influence more than just presenting them numbers. So something around this we will also be covering in Microsoft Excel. We'll give 2 more minutes to the rest of the 14 people that we have who can give us this answer. And this will also help me and help Param sir in you know picking up the examples by which we will be able to share the Excel knowledge and Excel frameworks with you. So we might pick up some operation examples. We might pick up some examples that will be related more to teachers and might not be more related to corporate. And there will be some examples that we can pick that will be more picked for the people who are in corporate, for different streams. And for students, it is a given that you guys have to take in each and every example thoroughly, because the other streams that we might cover will be around marketing, the financial data, and etc. So I think 40 people have answered, and this gives us a better look that the students and teachers are equally divided here, and we have some 2-3 people from corporate who have less than 2 years of experience, and 13% of those have more than 2 years of experience. Now, I have another question. You will see on the same Mentimeter, on the same link, on the same code, for those to judge if you have ever used Microsoft Excel before, because that will give us to shorten that introduction and crisping that for us. So 5 people have answered this yet. A very small question. It's just a yes or no. Have you ever used Microsoft Excel? Again, see the power of data visualization. A nicely put graph, a pie chart here can explain the whole class. How does the whole class is represented just with a pie chart? There's no numbers, there's no tables, there is no name involved. It just gives us an amazing presentation that yes, 20% say no, that we have never used Excel, and around 80% are saying yes, that we have used Excel. So insights like this, data analysis like these helps us now to make your session more better and make your session more relatable to every one of you. Again, the chat window is open. Any questions, please put it in the chat window. if the Mentimeter thing is not working on your system or your phone on your laptop, just don't worry about that. This is just to gauge how the class is represented. And as we can see that 33% people have already replied to this, which is more than 50% of the total attendance right now, which is around 52. So, okay, so we have 18% saying no and 82% of guys saying yes to this. So this is going to help us in molding the course in a better way for you guys. Thank you so much. We look forward to the next 5 days, and any question, we have the chat window open. Feel free to ask any question related to Microsoft Excel. What are your expectations from us, and anything specific that you might need after we complete the basics to intermediate course? Then again, yes, for that as well, ask free.
So guys, this is Paramjeet again. So the forum is open for you all. If you have any query, you can unmute yourself and ask your query to me, either me or Tushar. Okay, there are some questions in the chat box. Tushya and Ritika, this Menti part which Anup just shared with us, it was just to give you a glimpse, an example that how MS Excel can help us in the data visualization. Once we are having numbers, we cannot interpret or we cannot take out any inference out of it. But once we can convert that data into a kind of a bar chart, histogram, or a pie chart, then we can have a better clarity and we can interpret better. So, like you saw that most of the people in our group who answered the second question, they are knowing Excel. So 80% of around the participants have ever worked with Excel, yes. So it gives us a confidence that the people or the attendees, the participants know at least a bit about MS Excel and to a different extent as well. So we will be taking care of that. In the first question, we saw that a lot many participants are coming from the teaching background or they are the students. So whenever we learn Excel, it has two aspects. One is the basic Excel training and other one is the advanced Excel training. Having said that we are going to take you through from a basic to an intermediate level. We will be covering some of the advanced Excel functions as well. Like in the last slide, Anup sir mentioned some conditional formatting kind of stuff, lookup and references. So these are the things which normally comes under the advanced Excel part, which we are going to cover. Similarly, when we talk about formulas and functions, there are some basic formulae, some count and many more. And there are some advanced formulae and functions. So we are going to give a touch to those as well. And as I said in the beginning of the session, and Anup said in the session itself, most of the users who use Excel, they need the understanding to an intermediate level. But the people who are doing this analytics part more in their business domain or the working professions, whatever domain they are working in, so they need more of the advanced Excel aspects, and we are okay with that. So once we will reach the intermediate level, and from there on we can plan for those people who show interest more to go into deep of this. As far as the introduction part is concerned, that we are done with, me and Anup. So any question, if you want to ask, you're most welcome. You can put your query in the chat box as well as you can unmute yourself and ask the question.
There is one more question which is very relatable and very good question. Yes, we will be sharing the data sheets for you guys to practice, obviously, which is very much needed. Anything that I do here on the screen might not be as interpretable until and unless you guys do it on your own. So yes, we will be sharing those data sheets and the work files, and with obviously some homework as well.
Yeah, that's right. We will be sharing all the content, all the workbook, which we will be doing on a daily basis with you people. And we are going to share this PPT as well with you all in the group which we have made with the name Excel, First Step Excel. So you will be getting all the content from our part. We will be sharing some links and some ebooks as well to get into deeper to this Excel training and all. Yes, it is a technology which you have to understand your participation, and you need to practice it more to get a command to become comfortable in this. So the more you practice, the more you will become comfortable with this Excel environment, and going to help you out in your, like we are saying again and again, whatever things you are doing. Even our day-to-day lives, we can plan a lot of activities using Excel. It's not like that we are going to use it in our business domain and in the jobs. So the people who plan their life, who plan their day-to-day activities, so these Excel basic functions will help you a lot in planning the activities as well. We will be sharing some points. We will be sharing some lights on this as well. Vinay, it won't be possible to practice these Excel skills on your mobile phones. It will be nice, it will be good if you can access these sessions from your desktop or your laptop. Having said that, this does not mean that we cannot use Excel on the mobile phone. We can use, but for a person who is like at a beginning level of this, at a beginner level, it will not be easy to practice on his or her mobile. So it is advisable to practice Excel either on the desktop or on the laptop. So I believe that we don't have any more queries to answer.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry to disturb you.
Yeah, beta, please tell me.
Sir, it's my first time to use Excel, so I don't have idea any type of use Excel. So you will provide us from basic, na?
Yes. Tell me your name, beta.
Seema.
Okay, Seema, yes, as Anup said, and I already said in the beginning itself, that we are going to take you through from the basic or a beginner level to the intermediate level.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
And as the data shared with us through this Menti Wala platform, which Anup did with us, so we can see a lot many of you who are attending these sessions are students. So we have already made up our mind. So we'll be taking you through from the very basic level. So the session which we will be conducting tomorrow, day one training or day one session, will be the most important session for you who is going to like use this Excel or learn this Excel for the very first time. Tushya, it is a particular Excel version required? No. Actually, Excel is upgrading and updating this package very often, but I believe Anup, you can correct me. Most of the systems are using Excel 2007, I guess, 7 and 10.
So, Param sir, right now in the industry, in the corporate, most of the companies are using Office 365 basically. So it's an yearly subscription of Excel, but it doesn't matter which version you have. It doesn't matter, because if you have a new laptop or a desktop that you installed even within the last 4 years or 5 years, then anything and everything that we will be covering will be compatible with your version. So that will not be much of a problem.